water on all its sides. So highland refers to a piece of land surrounded by water on all its sides. Next word is drought. Drought. So children, the word drought means a drought is caused or occurred by what? By lack of water due to very little or no rainfall. Once again, a drought is caused by the lack of what? By lack of water due to very little or no rainfall. So dear students, we shall proceed with the next word, pollution. So what is the spelling? Pollution. Pollution. So the process of making or getting the air, water and land dirty is called what? Pollution. The process of making or getting the air, water and land dirty, we call it as pollution. So understood? Next word. What is the next word? Equator. EQATOR. Equator. So that 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere, we call it as equator. So the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. So the next other two words are constellation. The spelling of constellation is CONSTELLATION. Constellation. So what is the meaning? A group of stars that appear to form what? To form a pattern in the sky, we call it as constellation. So what is constellation? So dear students, a group of stars that appears where to form a pattern in the sky is called constellation. The last word is soil. So soil. The spelling of soil is SOIL, soil. So soil is a loose material which is present on topmost layer of the land or which lies on top of the land. We call it as soil. So soil is a loose material which lies on top of the land. So dear students, in today's class we saw what key terminologies are the key words and along with the spellings as well as the meanings. So in the next class we shall see the different states of India and its capital in the next upcoming classes. So please go through the video, write this word and the meaning properly for 2 times and learn it, and we shall discuss about this in the next class. Thank you.